Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about film cleaners, which remove foreign substances from films used in various industrial fields. In recent years, films have come to be used extensively in onboard batteries for electric vehicles, OLEDs, and liquid crystals. Films and thin sheets have long been used in the food and pharmaceutical fields as well. As the functionality of end products increases, the quality requirements for material films and sheets have become more demanding each year. However, because film is static sensitive and has a large surface area, it is easy for dust and other foreign matter to adhere to it, and it is very difficult to remove any foreign matter that has adhered. Did you know that even if you use a dedicated film cleaner in the manufacturing process, it is difficult to remove them as desired? Why is it that dust cannot be removed even though a film cleaner is used? First of all, there is a problem with the basic principle of foreign matter removal. There is an image that dust rises when air is applied to the film, but in reality, air that hits the film does not bounce back for a certain reason, and dust does not rise either. For this reason, even if you try to suck in blown foreign matter with an inlet on the top of the film like a film cleaner, it will not work well. In conventional film cleaners, which clean one side of the film at a time, when the surface is cleaned, the foreign matter goes around to the backside from both sides. When the backside is cleaned next, the particles are sucked back to the surface, creating a game of cat-and-mouse situation. In addition, wide films over 1,000 millimeters in width tend to cause deflection between the cleaning head and the backup roll that supports the workpiece film. Therefore, the gap between the two is adjusted to maintain a constant gap, e.g., 2 mm, but when the system is actually in operation, air is blown out to widen the gap, which makes gap adjustment a very difficult task. As a result, the dust removal rate does not increase. There are also structural problems, such as the lack of space for a built-in static eliminator. Because of the lack of anti-static measures, foreign particles attracted by static electricity cannot be removed cleanly. The dog bark generator generates pseudo-ultrasonic waves to vibrate the device in order to easily remove attached foreign particles, but this generates wind noise and spreads the noise around the area. The high-frequency wind noise is unpleasant and is said to be noisy at the work site. In addition, the cleaning equipment is large, and the wind power equipment for blowing and suction is so large that it requires a separate room. Naturally, the power consumption for these facilities is also enormous, making them a major issue. It has become impossible to ensure the advanced performance, reliability, and safety of the next generation of advanced medical or electronics technologies, as well as the advanced products demanded by society, such as in-vehicle batteries, without taking measures to prevent foreign matter from the film that is the key material in these products. Conventional film cleaners, however, have not been able to meet the actual requirements.
What?
Is
Is
that
that
true?
true?
It is true.